Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own rose water. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I received some beautiful red roses from a special someone and I don't want them to go waste, so I'm going to use some of them for beauty purposes. So I've got my roses here. I'll just go ahead and pluck the petals. Now afterwards, I'll put them in a saucepan. Come in with some water. So I'll cover this up and put it on low flame. I must say the amount of water you use depends on you. If you want it concentrated, then you should use less water. But if you want it less concentrated, that is more dilute, then you should use more water. Mind you, we're not boiling it, we're just warming it. So if you realize it's boiling, just put off the fire. So it will take about 40 minutes. So basically we are creating rose infused water. So it's been after about 40 minutes and as you can see, all the petals are soft and we have very red like looking liquid here. I'll just put off the fire and let it cool down. Afterwards, and with the help of a strainer, I'll just strain it to separate the water from the petals. So our rose water is ready. You can put this in a bottle, and if you want to keep it for longer, you can keep it in the freezer or even in the fridge. Rose water has many beauty benefits. It can be used as a toner, it can be used as a base for making rose soap and even rose creams. So this is it, and this is our 100% pure rose water. Now if you give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you, and if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that beautiful thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.